Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Delta Dental mobile app, setup guide step by step clearly. To download the Delta Dental mobile app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you have an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Delta Dental. Press the search button to begin. Once the search results appear, find the Delta Dental app. Tap on the app to view more details. Check the app's rating and reviews for assurance. If you are ready to download, tap the Get button on iPhone. For Android, tap on the Install button. Wait for the download to complete. Once the app is installed, locate the Delta Dental icon on your home screen. Tap on the icon to open the app. When prompted, read and accept the terms and conditions. You may be asked to grant the app permission to access certain features on your phone. Follow the on-screen instructions to create an account or log in. Enter your personal information as required. Once logged in, explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features. You are now ready to take advantage of the Delta Dental mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.